Okay guys, today we're gonna take the air filter cover off and check the air filter, and if it needs to be, we're gonna change it. On mine I've changed this to a stainless steel bolt, so it's an Allen key. I haven't changed the other one. Just take these two out. Just a little screw. It shouldn't drop. Once you've done that, you're gonna have to locate the screw which holds the air filter. That one you need to loose up, just so it breaks the seal to the air box, which is the frame. Couple of turns. Once that's done, this over here, this rubber manifold should just slide off with this hole on it. Keep pulling it down. So many cables here. Pulling it down, that's it. And this is just comes out, look, from there. Alright, let's check what's inside this one. Alright guys, to pop this open, you're gonna have to take this bolt out and the one hiding behind this one. You'll have to take that off. That's only when you take this cover off, which we don't do now. They're quite long, so I'm just gonna cut this out because they're super long screws, I don't know why. There you go, this is the air filter. To get the air filter out, you're gonna need to remove that one as well. That holds it in. And that's it. And that's your air filter. Just hook it off. Hook it off there. That's it. This is a fairly clean one. I changed it not long ago. Alright, so that's it. Fairly clean. Put it back together. You gotta hook this over this O-ring to make sure you're in the right place. And then just hook that over there first. Push it in the right place where it needs to. You want to see it line up with that screw. Put the screw back in. There you have it guys. Save your money, do it yourself. Alright guys, put it back together the way we took it apart. Let's just go back in. Make sure you got a nice seal. Put the bolts back in and then just put it back on the bike the way you took it off. I'm not gonna bore you with that when I'm putting it back together, so thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.